Okay, so welcome back. Now today is the day where I'm going to do giveaway for everybody who leave comments. Okay, I'm going to send to four people $30 each. We're going to pick up 3 videos from the month of January, and I'm going to pick up lucky comment, lucky video, lucky comment, and I'm going to send you $30 each. Okay, now I say 4 because I will send to one member who is always commenting on every single of my videos. Now this video going to be fast speed, so make sure you listen careful because it's going to be a little bit longer. Now, if you never watch any of my video, watch them. Again, nothing here is financial advice. I'm just doing giveaways this time. Thank you so much for everybody who have been leaving a comment and like. Make sure you do that in the future. I'm going to try to do this one every couple of weeks, as I said before. Last time in January, I give away 6 times $50, and today I'm going to give to 4 people $30 each, and I want to continue this way for the next couple of months. Okay, so let's choose the winners. So first one I want to give to this guy. All right, so if I go to any video, okay, so if I just go to any video right here, and I want to give to this guy because he always leave comments right here. Wait, there we go, this guy. All right, he always leave me comments. Right, thank you so much, and I'll put right down, I'll just reply to you. Okay, so I just write down, you're a winner for $30. Please edit your bio and comment with your address. And again, so I just put your winner for $30. Please edit your bio and comment with your address and comment. So your bio and this comment, and just add your address, and I'll send you $30 each. So that's winner number 1. Okay, winner number 2. So I can go right here. Okay, so I have lucky wheel, what I did last time. All right, so this will be fast speed. All right, so just now, so days we have today 25, so from 1 till 25, and I'm going to choose a lucky wheel. All right, so let's choose the lucky wheel. Now make sure you leave a comment, okay, and like any shorts, any video, just make sure the comment makes sense. Okay, don't just put hey what's up and all that stuff. So lucky winner 7 removed, I will remove, and I'm going now to video to number 7, month 7. So we have, let's go January 7, that will be. So January 7, do I have any videos? Yes, I have helping. Oh, amazing. All right, make sure you watch this video. All right, this is the best thing I'm doing in my life. Okay, so I have 27. Okay, I'm going to open the comments. All right, and I have 27. Let me just count 1 2 3 4 7 8 9 10 14, 27 are with me, so I have 14. Right, so this is up to 25. This was for the month, and this is for the comments. Okay, so 14. Okay, that should be easy now. Okay, so let's count and let's see what we're going to get. Okay, so next one, the winner is comment number 3. Okay, so I'll close. I don't remove this one because I need it for the next one. Right, so comment number 3. All right, and this will be here. So we go up to the bottom. We go 1. No, that's me. Actually, I count mine. Doesn't matter. So 1 2 3. Okay, Danny, welcome. I will just leave you a comment, heart. Actually, that's my comment. I'll just reply to you. You are one winner for $30, please. And this comment with your address. Okay, good. Fine. I'll copy this one. So that's winner number 2. Okay. Now, you can win multiple times. All right. You can win multiple times. All right. So let's go to the next one. There we go. So we go right here, go back, and we count. Let's see who is the next one. All right, so okay, day number 19. That's just a couple of days ago. All right, 19 remove. Okay, and we go back here to 19. I have there we go, 19 of January. Right, I have a video, a monster digits. All right, I have 18 comments, but let's count them. How many they are real? So I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 comments. By the way, thank you so much. This was also very close, this lady, to win, because she always leave me a message. So this guy and this lady. So maybe next time, if anybody continues to give me everyday comments, I will just pick up one of everyday who is leaving me comments, and I'll just give to you also one of the winners. Right, so make sure you leave a comments always, because you never know who I'm going to pick as a lucky just as a first comment. Okay, so how many have I forgot? So 1 2 8. All right, so that's easy. We have 8, and we're going to count them. All right, good. That should be easy. Okay, 8 comments. So the winner is number 4. Simple is that. You can win a couple of times. Like last time somebody win twice, right? Close. Number 4. And we have 1 2 3 4. Oh, there we go. Congratulations. Hey, I was also going to give to you $30, but you know what? You win it. There we go. Boom. Comment. All right, you're one of the winners. I hope I reply to you. Yes. Good. All right. Good. So 1 2 3. Number 4. Okay, number 4. This is fun. I love it. Okay, let's go back, and let's first go to the big wheel, and let's see who is going to be the lucky one this time. All right, so number 16. Okay, 16 remove. Thank you. 16 date, January 16. Oh, I don't have anyone. All right, I don't have anyone. Okay, let's see if I have any shorts on the 16. January 5th. I only have a couple of shorts. All right. So let's go to the next one. All right. Sorry, moving my face all the time. So next one will be number 8. Good. Okay, number 8. Remove. And that will be number 8. That's in January 8th. Let's see if I have any video. January 4, 5, 7. 7, 8. No, nothing. Do you have any shorts on 8th? No. Okay. So I'll do again. I should do more videos. Okay. Let's see. Next one, number 11. Okay, great. Let's go there. Let's remove. Go back. Number 11. January, December, January. Wait. It was 8, yeah? I have one on 8 right here. I have January 8. There we go. A short. I'm such an idiot. I'm looking December. I don't know why. 5, 6, 7, 8 right here. So I have 8. All right, great. All right. So let's give to the 8. Okay, so let's pick up from this one. Okay, for number 8, right here we have 12 comments. Real one. We only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 people. Okay, so we go here and we go 8 and we go 9. Good. We spin and let's see who is going to be winner. If anybody going to win twice. Number 4. Yes. Okay, you are the winner. Let's see who is there. Okay, number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Like, reply. Congratulations to all of you. Make sure you leave a comment. If you leave everyday comment, I'm going to choose one of the winners who leaving everyday comment. Definitely one. I will choose maybe 2. I don't know next time. Or maybe I'll just give to, if I'll choose 3 people and I'll just give to everybody who leave comments, you know, for the next, I don't know, 3-4 weeks time. Okay, thank you so much. God bless. Make sure you watch my videos. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and do whatever you want. Goodbye. There we go. All right, you're the winner. Okay, till the next one, guys. Love you all. Make sure you leave a comment and like and subscribe and share.